Okay, demoing the pivot Switchblade, carbon, medium, looking awesome. Got all the factory stuff on there, so I'm gonna go and have some fun. Alright, so I had a pivot demo put on by Cycle Therapy in Duncan, BC on Vancouver Island, and I'm testing out the pivot Switchblade, carbon, size medium. I've only got about half an hour or so to test this out. But I'm going to do a bit of a climb here. So far, feels good right off the bat. I went with the 27.5 plus. Well, kind of plus. It definitely climbs nice. Feels quite short in the reach. Compared to other mediums that I've ridden. Definitely a nice light bike. First carbon frame I've actually ridden since the Mac 5.5, also from Pivot. These XT shifters are super solid. Oh, nice and playful already. The rear suspension is in the open setting, and it feels really stable, super solid. It almost feels like I'm in the medium setting, but totally in the open. Climbs so well. Unfortunately, one of these is out of my price range. Nevertheless, it's definitely something to set my sights on for future. I went 27.5 so that I could get a direct comparison to my own pipeline. Bearing in mind my pipeline weighs about 33 pounds. I'm not sure what this weighs, but being carbon and with the higher spec components, it's definitely going to weigh less. But I wanted to get the same feel with the wheels. Seriously can't believe that suspension's in open mode. Climbs super nice. Pivots certainly make nice bikes. And this Switchblade, definitely no exception. Nice and stable. Corners really well. Feels stiff. Manageable. Playable. That's nice. say playable, I mean playful. That's nice. I'm try and get onto some downs here. The rear suspension stays nice and stiff on the small stuff, which is okay. And makes it playful. Soaks it up a little bit. Soaks it up enough, I think, to not make it too reactive, you know? Those XP brakes are so solid. Gonna head up to Double D now, see how she goes. Alright, well, so far I've just done some undulating trails, mainly up. I dropped it out of the open setting on the rear shock for a short while, but flipped it straight back to open because there really was no need to put it in the middle. It really is stiff. No bobbing really. The bobbing you see is the camera chassis mount straps causing that, but yeah, super solid. Really liked it. See how she does here. Definitely not as slack. Feels firm. These settings on the suspension. Woo. Nice bit of jerk. Not as fast as I've done before, but I don't want to break someone else's bike. Reach, I feel a little bit over the top, but something just to get used to. Really been putting the Phaotech to its test there too, eh? Been knocking that about with my knees. Alright. Last section. So far so good. Definitely not the slack as I'd like.
Okay, so to summarize, this bike was awesome. Being a carbon frame, it was a lot lighter. High-end specs on all the componentry and shocks made it feel super awesome. But you're spending a lot of money for this, so any bike with this kind of componentry is going to be awesome. I just did love how the rear suspension worked on the climbs. Really cool. Bit steeper in the head angle than I'm used to, which is what I think made it also feel better climbing, and the tyres were a little less rolling resistance than my 2.8 plus minions. So yeah, some nice nice feel to this bike. Really enjoyed riding it. If you're looking at pivot switchblades and you're, like to choose between 29 and 27 and maybe alternate now and again, this is a super awesome bike, great investment and well worth taking for a test ride.
Oh yeah, well the pedaling efficiency is way better on this.
So please, if you like this video, go check out a few more, hit the like button, subscribe, share, all the usual stuff, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks.